Health departments throughout the St. Louis region say they are begging the state for COVID vaccines. Good evening, I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. Thanks for joining us. One county feeling the squeeze is Jefferson County, where the percentage of people vaccinated is lower than every county around it. 5 on your side's Casey Nolan is live, and he found that part of the problem is Jefferson County's size. Casey.
Yeah, that's right, Mike and Ann. There are almost 250,000 people who live in Jefferson County, and they could be stuck in the middle of this rollout, not big enough to have enough large hospitals to help, and not small enough for state help.
Thank you for calling the Jefferson County Health Department. If you are calling about the COVID-19 vaccine, our agency does not have vaccine at this time.
To say there's been some hang-ups with the vaccine rollout could be an understatement, especially in Jefferson County. While the county's largest hospital and other community centers have vaccinated about 10,000 people with their first shot, the county health department just received its first shipment from the state on Wednesday, and it was just 500 doses, says the county health director, Kelley Vollmar.
Put 500 in perspective. What's that going to do? Is that going to do much?
So we have 225,000 residents in Jefferson County, and 500 is not even really a drop in the bucket.
Vollmar can see the counties around her on the state's vaccine dashboard, getting more doses and larger percentages of their populations vaccinated, more than double the rate in at least one case. Vollmar says part of the problem is the state's plan, sending vaccines to large hospitals that can handle large vaccination events and sending the National Guard to rural areas. Jeffco is neither.
We literally are in the middle size of things. We don't have the resources St. Louis and that metro area really has in terms of the hospital systems and private providers, but on the flip side of it, we're not considered a rural county.
They're feeling like they're being forgotten.
In Jefferson City Wednesday night, lawmakers pressed state health officials for answers, and the state health officials pointed to the federal government's supply of vaccines so far.
If we had our choice today, every willing Missourian that wants a vaccine would already be able to have it. We just don't control the supply.
That's the frustrating part about it is wanting to help and not feeling like we can do everything that we know we can.
Right now they have so little vaccine that while other counties have opened up their vaccination programs to people 65 and older, in Jefferson County they are still trying to get a shot to every first responder who wants one. And to make matters even more urgent, the health director says they have a lot of people with chronic disease in Jefferson County, which means the vaccine will be in even higher demand there. Casey Nolan, 5 on your side.
St. Louis Mayor Lyda Krewson is also frustrated with the slow rollout. She says she can't promise residents when they'll get their shot.
I wish that I could tell you that, but I'm trying to tell you, we don't have the vaccine to give you. If we did, we would do that.
The city is getting another shipment of 975 doses this week. Half of those will go to first responders waiting for their second dose. Another 3,900 doses have been earmarked to give second shots to those who got their first shot this past weekend.
St. Louis County